This is a quick video on weight versus mass. Let's begin with this. Weight. Weight is known as the force of gravity. Now weight is going to vary from planet to planet because the acceleration from gravity changes. Now we have mass. Mass, on the other hand, is the amount of matter inside any given object. This will not change as we go from planet to planet. Weight changes as you travel from one planet to another. And this is because the weight depends on the acceleration due to gravity, which is unique for each planet. Mass, on the other hand, remains constant. This is because regardless of where you are, you'll always have the same amount of matter inside of you. A good way to remember this is weight, W, depends on where you are. We're going to talk about Billy. Billy is going to travel from planet to planet. Right now, Billy's on Earth. He's going to go to Mars, and he's going to go to Jupiter. So Billy leaves Earth in his spaceship and travels to Mars. On Mars, Billy notices that he weighs less. In fact, he weighs about a third of what he does on Earth because the acceleration of gravity on Mars is about 1/3 of that on Earth. His mass, however, remains the same. Billy now travels to Jupiter. On Jupiter, assuming he could stand on the surface, which he can't, but let's just for the sake of argument say that he can, Billy is going to experience a weight 3 times greater than that on Earth. So if Billy weighs 150 pounds on Earth, he weighs 450 pounds on Jupiter, but his mass never changes. Billy flies home and returns to Earth. Let's see if you understand. While on Mars, Billy picked up a rock to bring home and study on Earth. When he gets back to Earth, what happens to the rock's mass and weight? The answer is the mass stays the same. This is because mass depends only on the amount of matter in an object. But the weight of the rock increases since the acceleration due to gravity is stronger on the Earth than it is on Mars.